And now we will start to assemble the top unit first, and then we're going to connect it to the bottom. So here you go with the top plate, the glass cylinder, and then we have the long brackets for the top with the reflector top tray. Okay, so we have the screws. Needs to be screwed in, 2 screws on the top, one from here and one in the side. And we'll do all 4 sides. Okay, to make clear one thing, that we have one side is the holes in the side, and then the other side of the tube is the holes in the middle. So basically the middle is gonna go down, and the one that has in the sides the holes, they go up to be connected to the top plate. Okay, we have the top one almost done. Next step, we'll take the top reflector and the screws and bolts. First, you put in the screws. It has 2 sides threaded. 1, 2, and the third one right there. Now the plate goes in there. And then the nuts. Just tighten it, hand tighten. Okay, now we have the front part back and the back part. Both are assembled already. Now we're going to connect the back part up to the front part. So just click it in, all 4 sides. 1, 2. Okay, now we'll take the black rubber protector, put it up on the glass, on the corner. Just push it up. And the black piece goes towards the bottom of the unit. Just put it up first on the top, slide it in slowly, slide it in, and it's inside. Now you're going to connect the 4 corners brackets with 2 screws. 1, and we have all nicely done. 4 sides, all screws done, and we are starting now with the grates, side grates. So basically we have 4 grates on each side. Every grate has in the side 6 notches. As you can see, it goes in inside the hole and slides down. Okay, so basically it has 2 on the top notches, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the bottom. So this one goes in inside the holes in the top, in the middle, and in the bottom, and it slides nicely down. So we have it all done now, the grates on top. Now one final step we have is to protect the grates of falling down. As you can see, the small hole on the top, put on the small bracket with 1 screw. So that way it protects the top, the grates. All 4 sides. Here you go with the complete pyramid heater, Eastern tabletop model number 2800. Any more questions? Please feel free to contact us www.easterntabletop.com.